Hold products from 36 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit with this 3-section refrigerator from Beverage Air. This unit's equipped with 9 adjustable shelves, and the cabinet's illuminated by LED lights for quick product retrieval. The Doors Stay Open feature keeps them open past 120 degrees for loading and unloading, and the bottom-mounted compressor raises the lowest shelf for easy access. Call our customer care team or visit us online at ktom.com to learn more and to add a Beverage Air refrigerator to your operation today.